Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the S10 Max smartwatch, and on this video we are going to have a demo of its Bluetooth call as well as the smart notifications. So smart notifications includes SMS and app notifications. As you can see here, the smartwatch is included with a push notifications. And we do also have here a dial for the Bluetooth call. We have call history, contacts, and the dial pad. As you can see here on our contacts, we already added one when we paired it with the Smartwatch Support App. That is the Laxas Fit application. And now, on this video, we are going to test that and see if it works with the Bluetooth call for our S10 Max smartwatch as well as the smart notifications. So if you are interested to see if the features or if the Bluetooth call and smart notification works, watch this video. And again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so let's start and explore the smart notifications. As you can see here, we are already paired with the Laxas Fit application. So previously we already checked the call reminder. As you can see here, turn on call reminder. We also have here the phone book. We already added some numbers when we paired it with the support app. Very easy. We have an option here to add, import, and delete the numbers. Let's go with the message notifications. So we have here message reminder. So let's activate some of the apps here. SMS. So we need Facebook. We don't have a WhatsApp, but I'm pretty sure it will work. Instagram, Messenger. Do we have a Viber here? Yes, we do have a Viber. Okay, seems like everything is okay. Tap on OK. Oh, alright, so are there any other settings? Okay, none. So let's start. Okay, so we have here some of the apps. We have our other smartphone. So let's go first with our smartwatch here. Let's check for the settings. Torch. Settings. Let's go with the display. Let's change it to 60 seconds. Screen lock. Dynamic island. Let's activate this one. Shake to answer. Wake screen. Five minutes. Seems like everything's okay here. So let's check. Sound. Call sound. Let's increase. Shock, vibration, okay. So let's start. Let's go first with our Instagram. We'll try at least 3 applications and SMS. So let's send a message. Let's send a message to Sam. Let's say hello. Hello. And let's send a message. Hopefully it will work. No message on our dynamic island, as you can see here. And we have it here. It's a bit slow or delayed, but it works. Hello. Dismiss. Next. Let's have a call notifications here on the app. Okay, let's have a call. Sam. Let's call Sam, and we do have here a missed call or a notifications that someone is calling. You miss an audio call. Okay, from Cindy. Okay, you cannot answer the call here, but you will receive a call notifications. Let's go with the Instagram. Let's send a message. Again, we do have here the Smart Island or Dynamic Island for messages. Hello. So far we received the Instagram message. It's a bit delayed for our messenger, but it works. Let's try and have an emoji. Message sent. Okay, so there's no support for emoji. Okay, next. Okay, we forgot to have a missed call. Calling, then end call. Can we receive a missed call? Yes, we do have it here. Okay, so far it works with Instagram and Messenger. Let's have the Viber app. Okay, maybe on our next video we'll try and install the WhatsApp application. Send hello. Okay, so there's no notifications. Again, we have it here. Okay, a bit delayed again, but it works. Okay, we have the logo also. Again, let's see how many messages can we store here. We have at least 3. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, missed call. And we have it here. Okay, tap on the dynamic island and we have incoming Viber call and call. Okay, missed call. Okay, so it works with the Viber app. Next, let's have the messages. SMS. This is SMS. Hello. Let's send. Sending. Yes, so it has support for SMS. Okay, again with the emoji. Let's see if it works. Send. And we have it here, but there's no support for emoji. Okay, so far it works with Instagram, Messenger, Viber, and SMS messages for our smart notifications with the S10 Max smartwatch. Again, our wearable here is the S10 Max smartwatch. So seems like everything is okay or works with our app notifications and messages. Remember, it also has support for other applications here. So we have WeChat, QQ, and WhatsApp application. Okay, Twitter. It also works with Twitter app. Okay, next, let's have a demo of the Bluetooth call functionality. Okay, for the Bluetooth call, let's start with the number here. Let's go to our contacts. Let's call Sam again. Can we receive a call? And we have here a call from Cindy. You have an option to end the call or answer the call. Okay, so it works with our Bluetooth call here. Okay, if you want to call your friend and he is using the smartwatch, he can receive it on the smartwatch. He can receive call on the smartwatch. Let's try the phone book here. QQ, where's our Bluetooth call? Sports, we have the dial here. Call logs, as you can see. Contacts, so let's tap on Sam. Oh, wrong number. Cindy. It's now calling. Can we receive a call here? And as you can see here. Okay, so it works. And call. Nice. Next, our phone here. So let's dial the number 091980920094. Let's try. Does it work? Yes, it works. Okay, calling, and we have it here. Okay, and call. So seems like everything is okay. Everything works. Let's try the last feature here. Let's answer the call here on the S10 Max smartwatch. Okay, then the last one, let's answer the call here on the smartwatch. So let's call Sam, and let's see if we can receive a call here. Okay, so let's answer the call from Cindy. Hello, this is Bluetooth phone call. This is the highest volume. Bye. Okay, seems like okay. The sound is okay. Not that loud, but I think it's clear enough. Okay, so as you can see here, everything works for our S10 Max smartwatch, including the SMS as well as the Bluetooth phone call. So that's it for our demo for the smart notifications and push notifications for our smart notifications and Bluetooth call for the S10 Max smartwatch. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. Again, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye!